Okay. Ano tayo? Okay. Oh, nasa Portland tayo guys ha. Ito yung barko namin dapat. Ito, mabilis ang vlog lang to guys. Kasi balik akong 12. Now is 11:55. Ah, no. Ano oras na ba? 10:55 guys. Masama ako. Gala tayo. And by the way, don't forget to subscribe and like and share. My name is 24RG. Come on, naka-informe pa ako. Labas tayo, gala tayo. 15 minutes, 20. Oh. Bahala na. Kahit wala nang kain, pakita ko lang sa inyo yung lugar ng Portland. Sa US tayo ngayon. Yesterday, nasa Boston tayo. Ngayon, sabi ko naman sa iyo hanggang kayang labas na. Labas tayo. Okay. Ito yung mga Pilipino yan. Yan, delikado yan. Delikado yung diba? Kaya nga mahal nyo sa buhay. Laglit lang ako, Brad. Balik pa akong 12. Ayun o, ayun po, nandun pa ako. Ayun o, time check. Tabit na natin sa may wagang yeah. Up. Tayo. Kaya malaking tulong tong
security. Yung security mo.
Ligaw.
Wala.
Mag-ano lang tayo. Kasi may artista ako, si Parang Melchor. Parang Melchor, naharap ka naman sa ating camera.
Hey, hello, what's up, yo?
Ay. Balik pa akong 12 niyan. Siyempre, appreciate natin yung
Yogi-yo! Uy! Man, until here, man!
Ay! Franklin. Oh, yung globe mo.
Yung dito, kabila. Wala.
Dito tayo.
Gawin natin keychain to.
Tayo. Sasabay tayo sa mga professional.
Ball tayo. Ito ba yung ball?
Dumit na nga aking
Malaking dito eh. Martial eh.
Buti pa kayo.
Wala tayong balik pa rin ba? Nagdati ka ba?
Buti pa kayo, may tulog ako.
Mas babalik mo?
Ha? 12?
Laban lang.
Siyempre, last na daw to eh. Portland, di ba?
Isa lang to eh. Sabihin mo, pagkan.
Sa Portland na to. Kita nyo guys, oh. Kaya lumabas ako. Last Portland na. Kaya makasama ko sa sa barko. Kasama ko sa trabaho. Sila walang balik ako. O, tingnan nyo, time check guys. Oh. Balik akong 12 ngayon, 11 na.
masyado. Hindi masyado. Yung kape ko nga eh.
Nubo.
Yung kapihan ko
Nubo pa rin.
masyadong na ano. Yung sa simula lang.
Ako maon na ako. Dito lang ako guys. Yaman. Ayan, mahilig sila sa lobster. Ayan. Dami nila dito. Ito yung mga ano, bar. Dito, bar and grill. Ay, restaurant no? Kabila. Bar and grill. Ano to? Ay, lobster oh. Pinipilaan guys. Oh. Oh. Puno-puno itong Gilbert's na ano. Ang tagal ng pagkain yan. Yung mga may tiga-Asian din na ano. Nagko-cruise. Commercial Street. Dire-diretso lang tayo guys para hindi tayo maligaw. Gusto ko lang pakita sa inyo yung ano meron dito sa may ano. Maramihan dito restaurant, sa mga bilihan ng mga ano.
I'm not even going to burn half of that.
Vamos ito. Gusto ko sana pumasok sa mga store guys, kaya lang baka mamaya bawal yung camera. Yung place na lang papakita ko sa inyo, Portland Fair. Harbor tayo. Sorry. Ito yung aso, ang pogi oh. Long Restaurant Marine. Marami. Yan. Ibang mga kasama ko doon kumakain. Nagwa-wifi. Yan lang naman ginagawa ng crew dito. Crew, wifi, pagkain, bili. Iba nagubos ng pera, di nag-iipon. Doon, no? Kaya lang, baka maligaw na tayo. Diba? Malayo-layo na rin yan. Ay, nako, sarap sana mamasyal. Hindi mo mamadali. Hintay sila ng shuttle bus. Yan mga magtutur yan guys. Karamihan pasahero. Ito Portland Lobster. Pinipilahan talaga nila, no? Pila hanggang dito. Oh, my man. Sa susunod, di ba? Oh. Okay. Wait tayo. Tawid naman tayo. Palagay nyo. Dito tayo. Pwede, no? Di ba? Wait tayo. Thanks. Ano tayo para marami kayong makita. Ito yung mga bike nila, mga rent na bike, no? Karamihan sa US may mga ganyan. Sarap sana pumasok dito, pakita ko sa inyo mga items, no? Ito. Button. Magamit sa bahay. Tapos yung t-shirt, $15. $15. $10, oh, bag lang. Ang ganda, oh. Karamihan ng restaurant sa pinipilahan kasi mga taga-barko yung mga yan. Mga t-shirt dito is $25. Hey, don't forget, this is my assistant.
Hello guys.
Caliente, guapo. What you buy? Lobster, man, very cute, man.
Yeah, very cute. It's not
How much?
expensive,
$8?
man. $9.
Ah, 9.
Nice.
Good, man.
Lolo, why you don't see? You don't
Well,
buy anything?
Huh?
Don't buy anything?
No. I don't I have planned to buy only laptop, man.
One laptop?
Yeah, MacBook Air. I come back again also. Hey, Olo. Lolo here.
Oh, Lolo.
Yeah. You going back, Jin?
Yeah, no? All for candy ko. Brother, I would like to stay more longer. But this is shit, man.
Huh?
This is shit.
What shit?
Shit. Because I would like to stay longer here. This is so cute, man. Very good.
Ah, yeah. Of course, no? A lot of restaurant, shopping, no? Yes. You went in Istanbul like this also.
Yeah, Istanbul, very good, beautiful.
Yeah.
How does that bracelet fit you? Yeah. Is that the
A lot of
butterfly?
stuff,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah, I like
A lot.
A lot.
You missing eyes.
Mabaklet, man. Sa Maya, man, no?
I love yours.
Team Maya. Take your picture. Here,
With the
remembrance. Let's go.
The beards?
Yeah. The beard, oh. Not here, man. With the... Here, this side. Where? Mambak, what? The guapo, man. Oh. Now you have remembrance in Portland.
Then let's go to that side and then we go back.
Sure? I want to chop also, huh?
Okay, let's go.
You make it quick.
You will chop, no worries.
I have uniform also, huh?
In Garden Cafe.
We only this street, right?
Yes. You will chop in Garden Cafe.
No. Ay nag-promise. Garden Cafe babalik.
There is very
Hey, come. Pass.
different reality to my own. I see.
Yeah?
Different reality. You see? Free souvenir.
No. This one. I have allergy there.
See, please.
Here, this one's nice. This side, man. I want to go there, but I think... Give me.
Picture
Take it.
one there.
Why you give me your stuff?
So I don't want to look my stuff.
Go. Enough. Ginawa pa akong puto. Oh, go ahead, please. No problem. Go ahead. 1, 2, 3. Go ahead, please. One more.
My shoes.
Yes, yes. Everything there, man.
No, my shoes.
No, my shoes? We can edit, no? In your phone. Here, this side.
I won't give it to you once I clean it.
Nice, man. Already? Oh my goodness. Here. We have a lot of photo, man. Portland.
Puta, qué bonito. Qué bonito soy. Can you understand?
No! What's that?
I'm so old. Look at
Kwenan to so. Okay. What's that? Sunflower.
I will take this photo to the sunflower.
Okay, go. And then nice.
Okay.
You see the big bike there?
Oh,
Oh, watch it, watch it. Bro.
you see that?
Okay, go.
Kawasaki, no?
No, man. Suzuki, man.
Oh, we are walking in the mirror. What the bike is that, man?
Suzuki. I think 400 or what?
That
I
is
think the
big.
4. Huh?
1,000.
Huh?
1,000.
Yeah. May babalo assistant. Take the photo. Let's go. Ah, sunflower. This one we put in the bread, no? No, this is the one. Here. This is the one. The seed.
Really?
Yeah, this one sunflower seed, man. You don't know? This is the
what
one.
they eat?
Yeah, they eat this one. Sunflower seed. This is the
What
one.
is?
This is the one.
Why this is like this and this is like this?
This is this baby, man. This one already old. They're ready to harvest. That's hey yo. The sunflower seed. Balu. The one in the bread. But they roasted, no? Right?
Oh,
I told you.
this
Come.
one my hamster eats, man.
Yeah, man. Sorry. You hamster, you have?
Yeah, my hamster eats. Before he died.
Thank you. This is the one they put in the roll in the bread, and the one we serve in the guests.
I want to live here. I don't know how many times I say that in different ports.
Yeah.
I want to live.
I'm still have battery.
You are still recording?
Yeah, of course. This one 1 hour. 1 hour continuous video. But it depends of the battery, no. I used yesterday. No?
Really? Really? You don't want to buy anything
No,
right around souvenir?
no chance, man. Plenty things already. Where are we now, man?
But from here, don't worry, I'm a map.
No, I mean, you know already what time is. Huh?
I'm a map. Relax, come.
I don't believe you, man.
Yes, I'm a map. I'm very good in, localize myself.
Okay.
Very good. I went to the, Istanbul.
Ah, Istanbul. I always lost there, man.
Yeah. With me, when my paisanos, I was the map. Because
You
I
know
went
what?
Once,
Oh,
I went second.
okay.
But with my paisanos, and don't take a picture or don't take a screenshot to the map. I will get you there to the minimum.
Me, I have problem, no? Because see, I doing video, and never, because I go far, man. And then, I'm lost. And luckily, some of the Istanbul people can speak English.
You get lost?
Yeah, man. Because you know what? I'm doing video, man. Holding like this.
You lose the pain. That's the point.
Yeah, I lose focus, no? Because I miss the place. I like to go there, and then I don't know where I go now, and I don't know how to come back in the port. In Germany also, I'm lost, man.
Germany?
Yeah, my last contract on Star. I buy the like
What
farm.
city of Germany? Germany.
Let's go across the street because I still
What city of Germany? No, Berlin. Berlin.
That's Hamburg.
Hamburg?
Yeah, Hamburg,
I think it was.
Germany. You know the all the restaurant, especially lobster, they long line, man. We got a long line.
Spirit, one beer and cigarette. Okay, let's go inside here. I will buy one cigarette for my mom.
Okay, I cannot go there because I have camera. Maybe they stop me. I will very quick, huh? I will. I go smoke. Take a strike.
Wee, here we go. Italia. What's up? Are you Italian?
No, sir. I'm Filipino. Garden. Nice car, man. I mean,
How far are we from the boat? Like, what did you say? Like 10, 15, 20 minutes walk?
yeah, here. Side only, man.
Okay.
See this road? All the small store there.
Okay.
Straight, just straight.
Okay.
Ah.
Okay, thank you.
Stop smoke, man. You are dying.
Ayun niya ang digirilyo.
Talk when you can talk.
Okay, we go here. You buy already or what?
No, nothing.
Nothing.
Too much alcohol there.
Alcohol? Ayun niya akong nigarilyo, guys. Kasi inubo na ako. Ang bait tong si Jin. System to siya. 26 years old man. I think this is a hotel. Hamilton Garden.
Very nice. I love this sky, man. Lunch
Yeah.
off. City, lunch off. It's not like
Yeah, that's why just
very nice. Very lucky.
in 2 hours, no problem. Oh, now where you go?
Where we go?
Where?
Let's go home.
Do. Rosas again. place, right?
Here you put it. Where we the elephant hunt.
Where, how is it? Yeah. Let's go. Follow.
Follow the rules.
Yeah, of course. He knows the rules.
Yeah, last stop that side.
Huh?
Last stop. Why they sell?
Which one? The small cart?
Uh-huh. We'll have time. You will chop chop, man. Don't worry. Of course, after the long line of 3 blocks of the Grumes, you better buy something to eat here.
You want to buy?
What is that?
I don't know. Check. Hot dog and burger, man.
It's hot dog.
Huh?
It says on there, let's be blind.
Let's go. Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's go back. Now my food kaput and then
Back to reality.
back to the
Ay, ay, ay.
I have my souvenir.
We started out on the ship.
Aha.
So mall.
Really?
Yep. Thank you. Okay. Pabalik na kami. Thank you very much sa panonood, guys. Kahit na short video lang to, kahit pa paano nakalabas, meron pa akong 30 minutes. May to prepare myself kasi meron pa kaming duty. Thank you sa panonood, guys. And don't forget to subscribe and like and share and comment, guys. Thank you. Have a good night. Bye.
No, lobster, chowder.